Good morning, my HOD, Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir, my seminar guide K.S. Bhatti sir, seminar coordinator Mr. S.S. Godara sir, and my faculty members, examiners, and my friends. I am Karan Kumar, pursuing my BTech from Rajasthan Technical University, University Department. My topic is SSLV, Small Satellite Launching Vehicle, and here is the list of content. The first is introduction of SSLV, second is SSLV D2, advantages of SSLV, technical details of SSLV, design and components of SSLV, challenges in SSLV development, issues of SSLV, launch sites and operation, future of SSLV, and conclusion. The first is introduction of SSLV. SSLV stands for Small Satellite Launching Vehicle, which is a type of rocket designed to launch small satellite into low Earth orbit. These rockets are becoming increasingly popular due to the rise of small satellite technology and the need of more adorable launch options. The SSLV market is expected to grow significantly in the upcoming years with the components and virgin orbit. The rockets lab landing the way developing these types of launching vehicle, and the SSLV D2 model is there. SSLV D2 model successfully launched on February 10, 2023 from the launch pad of SDSR SAR Sriharikota.
तो दो में से एक गायब कर दे।
07 Janus 1 and Azadi set satellite into 450 km circular orbit in the 15 minutes of flight. It provides low cost access to space, offer how turnaround time and flexibility in communication, multiple satellites, and demand minimal launches infrastructure, and it's configured with the solid propulsion stages of velocity terminal stages. It is a 34 meter tall, 2 meter diameter vehicle having a lift of mass of 120 T. Advantage of SSLV. The main advantages of SSLV flight is their cost effectiveness. The rocket is much cheaper to produce the launch compared to traditional large rockets, making an effective option for a small satellite launching vehicle. Another advantage is their flexibility, and SSLV can be launched from the variety location, including mobile launch pad and even aircraft, allowing for greater mission customization and responsiveness. There is a typical details of SSLV. Technical details of SSLV. SSLV typical have a payload capacity of up to the 500 kg of solid of liquid fuel engines. They can have multiple stages with the stage using different engines and fuel of optimized. Performance of SSLV. Performance of SSLV is also incorporate advanced technology such as 3D printing and compressed material to reduce weight and increase efficiency. Design and components are there. Small satellite launching vehicle are using components of 2 and 3 stages depending on the required altitude of small satellite launching vehicle and the velocity of payload. The first stage is typical powered by solid of liquid rocket engines and provide the initial thrust to lift off the rocket from the launch pad. The second stage is responsible for accelerating the rocket to desired altitude and velocity, while the third stage is using for one thing trajectory and injection the payload into low Earth orbit. The challenges of SSLV development are there. Despite the many advantages, SSLV have several challenges development and operation. One of the biggest challenge ensuring safety and reliability, especially given the complex nature of a multi-stage rocket. Another challenge is sustainable and establishing business model, as the marketing of SSLV is still relative and uncertain. The issues of SSLV are there. The problem is appeared to the SSLV model stage called the velocity terminal module according to the launch pad. The VTM velocity terminal module is supposed to have burn 20 seconds, however it burned only 0.1 second, dying the rocket of request altitude boost. The two satellites separated from the which after the VTM burned. There was a manufacture of the sensor resulted placing the satellite in a elliptical orbit rather than a circular orbit. Launch site and operations. Small satellite launching vehicle is a launch from a variety of locations including dedicated launch sites, military base and even a commercial airports. The launch operation typically involve the countdown sequences that include pre-launch. Once the rocket reaches desired altitude and the velocity, the payload is separated from the rocket and development into the orbit. The future of SSLV. The future of SSLV look like a bright. With increasing demand of SSLV, small satellite launching vehicle advantages in rocket technology. In addition of commercial application, SSLV is also potential for military and scientific missions. The SSLV continue to evolve the improve. They may become a key keeper in the space industry, providing affordable and accessible launch pad from the vehicle right range of mission. The conclusion of SSLVs are there. The conclusion of SSLV is exciting and rapidly growing area, the space industry, with their cost efficiency, flexibility and advanced technology. They have potential to revolution the way we launch a small satellite launching vehicle into the space. While there are certainly challenges to overcome, the future looks bright. SSLV can expected the see many more these slicks high tech rockets in launching into the 6 and upcoming years, and the references are there of SSLV models. And thank you.